it was really difficult to win the first game. We had things going early on, but they caught up. Probably the pressure of winning. Or hindi, the pressure of losing 3 straight. Yun yung nadama namin. Kasi pa 3 straight sana natalo eh, di ba? Yun yung kaya nakabalik yung kalaban. Hopefully it's the start of something for us. We fell short against Baste. I told them let's not point fingers at each other or anybody else. Somebody asks you why we lost, just point to me. Para lang wala nang impressor, wala na sa kanila. So ilagay nyo sa akin. That's why we lost to San Sebastian. Ilagay nyo sa akin. Pero from now on, kung anong gusto kong mangyari sa endgame, paano tayo mag-execute, kailangan yun ang mangyari para hindi tayo natutupan. So, and luckily we went to the guys that went to Sena in the end game, and Mark provided us a lift with his outside side.
What about the next game, Coach?
We're playing, this is a good rest for us. We play next Wednesday, UPHR. Hopefully we have, it's the same team as kagaya ng Benil. It's a quicker team than us. So we gotta really defend their transition.
Anong nagkulang kayo sa first 2 games?
First game, we missed 20 free throws. Second game, we missed Beray.
Yung frequent niya.
No, in yung fourth quarter, ang dami niya na-score. So, yung defensive namin, we limited them to 20 points in the first half, yung Baste. Pero hindi namin na-sustain sa second half. Kaya ayun, they caught up, eventually they won.